really nice. Fun. What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna take you guys for a little joyride today. We're gonna go hit up some twisty roads that I found on a map. It's kind of a ways away. I'm not gonna bore you guys through the whole ride, you know. But when I get there, we will most definitely be back together again. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're getting into it now. Beautiful, breathtaking views, that's for sure. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, this is SRT8 Boost. We're on the hunt for some twisties. So, oh, look at that sign, for 2 kilometers, my god. Yeah, I mean, that's not that long, but whatever, still fun, right? Man, there's a lot of caterpillars on the road. It's so weird. I mean, it's like late October. Oh, this is a school zone. Better take it easy here. Okay, looks like that's over. Oh, for God's sakes, another bug just hit me in the face. Well, there's a lot of driveways here. I don't really think you can go too fast. Oh, for fuck's sakes, go too fast here, but whatever. Oh, interesting. That's fun. Right to a stop sign. Oh, it looks like a lot of people come here to do this. That's pretty cool. You know what the worst part is the GPS isn't working up here. It's like really pretty though. Looks like fun. Maybe if I had those dirt tires, I'd probably try that out, but hello. I don't even know what fucking road I'm on. It's supposed to be Hockley Valley Road. You know what, I'll get back to you. Okay, so at that little intersection where I saw all the bikes at the restaurant there, I was supposed to hook a right. But, oh, there's that dirt hill again. Now that looks like fun. Anywho, so, which, now I'm over here. I just stopped and asked a really nice gentleman. Guided me the right way. Oh, great, a whole bunch of cars just turned where I'm going. Perfect. So, yeah, right here, this is where I was supposed to turn. I mean, I'm doing all this off by memory, right? So... Alright. That looks like a jump. Looks like it'd be fun. So again, I don't really know what to expect on this road. I was just checking on a map, see what's good. I mean, there's some places like probably another half hour, 45 minutes north of here that look like completely wild, but shit, man, who's got time for that? You gotta trailer the bike out there. Way too far. So these will do. Whatever they are. Just hoping that's not sand on the road. No, it looks pretty good. Motel or something? It's like middle of nowhere. So weird. Oh, this is cool. Fun. Well, I ain't no Hypermotard king when it comes to turning, man, but I mean, that guy's friggin' awesome. I actually learned a lot from him. Shout out to Mr. Hypermotard King. Really nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's like October, and it's like we've had this warm spell of some nice days, and I was like, well, I've been wanting to come somewhere out here, you know, to try all this out and see what's good. I said, why not today? Let's just go do it. Shut everything down for the day and come out, you know? Whoa. Looks like that means a very sharp turn coming up. Would actually be really nice, like even with my car or truck. candy wagon. That's what us construction guys call the people that come to clean the porta potties. It's the candy wagon. Ew. I mean, that'd be kind of fun up that way too, but it's a dirt road. Ah, friggin' hell. Wow. I'm pretty sure there's something wet on my collar. Every time I turn my head, I can feel it. Nasty. Pretty fun road. Nothing overly dramatic or anything, but hell of a lot nicer than where I'm from. Oh, what? Oh, look at that friggin' sign. Jesus. I don't even know what to even make of that. Looks like a friggin' R2-D2 fucking go this way, up, down, side to side. Fellow bikers. Well, okay, I'm not sure what that sign meant, but alright. You know what, maybe it meant like if you go, there was another little side street over there that I saw. Could have been for that. I have no idea. I mean, clearly it's not for anything here. Oh wow, that looks like fun. I'm pretty sure legally you're allowed to ride the ATV up here, as long as you don't go on anything over 80 kilometers an hour. Oh, it's an S. Alright, that should be fun. Yeah, it's anything north of 9. Highway 9. Highway 9 is like a divide between literally two different worlds around here. It's kind of funny. There you go again, look, there's like a little, oh, maybe they just made like side street there or something, I don't fucking know. Oh, this is fun. Oh, look at the red rock. Or dirt. That's pretty wild. Shit. I don't mind this Mini in front of me. I'm still kind of new with this sort of thing, right? So she's like kind of regulating my speed a little bit so I don't do anything stupid. Because stupid I would do. So it's all good. that was fun. Lots of fun. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, this is SRT8 Boost. And welcome to the channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next one.